Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an administrator account because these changes require elevated privileges. Open Services. MSC Now. Find Windows Update, right-click and choose Stop. This halts downloads immediately. Once done, double-click the service, change startup type to Disabled to prevent automatic restart, and click Apply. Make sure to confirm any UAC prompts. This step pauses updates while you configure more persistent controls. Don't skip stopping the service first, because some later registry or policy edits won't apply until the service is stopped. Next, implement a persistent block using Group Policy on Pro/Enterprise or the registry on Home. Open gpedit. MSC, navigate to Administrative Templates Windows Update and enable Configure Automatic Updates. Choose Option 2 to notify for download and install, or set Disabled to stop automatic checks. If you are on Windows 10 Home, open Regedit and create the policies \Microsoft\Windows\Windows update keys, then add dword-like-o options. After editing, restart the stopped service only if you need Windows. Finish by rebooting to ensure changes persist across sessions. After startup, confirm Windows Update service stays disabled in Services. MSC, open Settings Update and Security to verify there are no active downloads. If you must test, click Check for updates briefly. Expect no automatic downloads if policies applied. If something goes wrong, restore the Windows Update service to automatic, revert the group policy, or delete registry keys. Then reboot and run the Windows Update troubleshooter. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most configuration conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.